Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into mastering the use of teamwork.com for sustainable event planning, the full 2025 guide. Now, let's jump right in. First up, you'll want to set up your project. To do this, open the Projects tab, click Add Project, and fill in the details of your event. This helps us because it gives us a central hub for everything related to our event, from tasks to timelines to documents and communication. Now that we've done that, we'll add our team. Click on People and then Add People. Here, you can add everyone involved in your event. The reason we do this is to enhance collaboration, ensuring everyone has access to up-to-date information and can contribute ideas effectively. Next up, we're going to create task lists. This is done under the Tasks tab. You can create different lists for different areas of your event, such as setup, marketing, or sustainability efforts. This helps us because it allows us to break our event into manageable chunks, track progress, and delegate responsibility effectively. Now, let's set up milestones. These are significant events or deadlines that we aim to achieve. Click on Milestones and set these up. This is beneficial because it helps us to keep track of our major targets and ensure that we are on track towards achieving our event goals. Next, we'll integrate teamwork.com with our other tools. Click on Settings, then Integrations. Here, you can connect teamwork.com with your preferred tools, such as Google Drive for document management or Slack for communication. This helps us because it enhances the efficiency of our workflow by keeping everything in one place. Let me explain why this matters. Sustainable event planning is all about efficiency and minimal waste. By using teamwork.com effectively, you're streamlining your processes, reducing waste such as unnecessary emails or documents, and enhancing collaboration. It's a win-win for your team and for the environment. Now the final touch is reporting. Click on Reports to generate detailed reports on project progress, task completion, and more. This is crucial because it gives you a clear overview of your event planning progress, identifying any potential issues early and helping you to ensure a successful, sustainable event. So there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to using teamwork.com for sustainable event planning. Remember, it's all about efficient collaboration and resource management to not only ensure a successful event, but a sustainable one as well. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us and happy planning.